Everyone's selling shirts in the same tired niches: dogs, coffee, teachers. But if you want to stand out in 2025, you got to go where nobody else is looking. In this video, I'll show you 5 low competition print on demand niches that are trending right now, and you can still make serious money. Hey, I'm Harry, and welcome to the Print Shop Pro. I share weekly tutorials and strategies to help you grow your print on demand business on Etsy, Redbubble, and beyond. Subscribe if you want to find winning products before everyone else does. The first niche that we'll review is the custom pet portrait niche. The pet niche is huge, but here's a twist. Custom minimalist pet portraits that are blowing up. Instead of the cartoon style, I would say go sleek and simple. Something like line art, neutral tones, names underneath. People are paying $40+ for something that costs $10 to print off of Printify. It's emotional, giftable, and there's repeat buyers everywhere. So for that, I would first start by going to Etsy.com, typing in pet portrait. You'll see here, huge trend, 2,700 monthly searches. Again, this is using the Everbee extension. Link below if you would like my free trial. But if we click that, you'll see here a number of different options. What I like to do is first look at the popular now ones. You'll see here some sales. 123, 274 sales, 423, 249, 100. So again, crazy high sales. Something as simple as uploading a photo to any of the popular AI platforms like Google AI, Ideogram, Midjourney, even ChatGPT. They'll all provide something similar. But as I mentioned earlier, I would change this up a bit. You see a lot of watercolor painting styles. So to stand out in the crowd, I would either do something like this with a monotone background, something simple, but I would use a regular dog photo or just something like line art, black and white, but something to stand out from the crowd of these watercolor images. For niche number 2, let's talk about small hobbies and micro communities. These niches are gold because they're super specific. I'm talking about small hobbies like disc golf, bookkeeping, bird watching, outdoor camping, pickleballing. The audiences are small but extremely loyal. These communities are underserved on Etsy, and because they're passionate, they'll pay for things like shirts, mugs, or stickers that speak their language. Let's hop on over, we'll take a look. Let's first go to Etsy. Let's click disc golf. Hit enter. Let's see what pops up. So here we see some shirts. We see candles. We see more shirts. Let's go here to product analytics on Everbee. Let's filter high to low with revenue. You'll see custom disc golf pins, shirts. Here's a shirt that did $600 last month. Another shirt that did $300. Let's look. Let's go back to Etsy. Let's look at camping shirt. You see here 991 searches a month. That's a lot for a small niche down hobby such as camping. Let's go down. Here you see some big sales. So 75 sales last month, 66, 33, 24, 78, 155, 18, 39. So again, categories that are niche specific, something as small as outdoor camping, a lot of monthly sales, very low competition. This is definitely an underserved niche. It's a design, it's easy to copy. For my next video, I can show you how to make these designs. If you just comment below camping, I'll create a video specifically for that. Niche number 3 would be the eco-friendly lifestyle. Eco-friendly is booming. People want sustainable messages and products. I would create designs like reduce, reuse, recharge, something like planet over profit, or any minimalist botanical art on an organic shirt or tote bags. Companies like Printify and Printful both now have eco-friendly blanks, which would give you a strong marketing edge. So for that, let's look over at Etsy. Let's go eco-friendly shirt. And let's scroll down. Let's look at some of our top designs and sales. Again, using the Everbee Chrome extension. So here, 53 sales, 463 sales. It's thousands of dollars a month. 189 sales, 154, 96, 189. So again, the I think a small but underserved niche would be the eco-friendly niche, and that could be searched any number of ways. For the fourth niche on our list, I would suggest occupation humor, and by that, I mean something narrowed down. Occupation shirts always sell, but you need to go niche it down within the niche. So instead of just nurse or teacher, I would target something like NICU nurse or music teachers or electricians with attitude. The smaller you go, the easier it is to rank. And those are the buyers that feel like that you get them, you speak their language. So for that, let's go over to Etsy. Let's type NICU shirt. Let's look at the volume, 500 searches. Scroll down. Let's look at the sales. But again, a lot of easy designs to recreate on your own using either Canva or Kittl. Here the search volume supports 23, 28, 6, 7, and so on. So, okay, the fifth niche is mental health and motivation, but make it subtle. People want uplifting messages without cheesy quotes. Think about designs that say healing in progress, or it's okay to pause, or line illustrations with calm pastel tones. It's trendy, it's positive, and it fits apparel, wall art, journals. You could even make phone cases. So for that, let's go over to Etsy. Let's type up mental health. And you'll see shirt. So high search volume right at the top, 1200. And as you scroll down, you'll see a lot of these are popular trending designs. 50 sales, 15, 50, 221, 44. So again, a lot of volume, very low competition, and the designs are extremely easy to make. If you'd like to see, if you'd like for me to make a video about that, just comment designs below, and I'll show you how to make some of these trending mental health designs. So let's recap our top 5 underserved niches. Number 1, pet portraits. Number 2, small hobbies such as disc golf, camping, crocheting. Number 3, eco-friendly lifestyle. Number 4, occupational humor. But again, remember, niche down. It's not just nurses, but NICU nurse. Not just teacher, but gym teacher. And then number 5, mental health and motivation. Now to create designs that actually sell, I like to use Kittl for text layouts and then Creative Fabrica for graphics and fonts. I've linked both below in the description if you want to check them out. And again, every little bit helps, but it does help support the channel. These save me hours every week. If this video gave you any new niche ideas, hit the like and subscribe button below and comment which one you're going to try next. And if you want to know exactly which products to sell best in 2025, watch this video next too, and I'll show you the top selling print-on-demand products that are selling right now. Thank you.